Let me show you how to make dough in the KitchenAid stand mixer. First, I'm going to start with the flat beater. The flat beater is the accessory that mixes and combines ingredients, and I want to mix my flour and my water together. So I'm going to pop on my flat beater. I'm going to add my yeast and my water to my flour. Pop the head of the mixer down, and I'm going to turn the mixer on to speed 1 to start off with. I want to combine my water and my flour together just till it comes together. So this is the stage. You can see it's forming a bigger ball, and I'm going to stop it here. Scrape this off the flat beater. Some people just start with the dough hook. The dough hook replicates the kneading action and is for kneading only. If you were to start and try and mix the water and the flour together, it would take a very long time. So now I'm going to let the dough hook do its job and knead the dough. Remember, when mixing bread dough, pizza dough or pasta dough, only use speed 2 for the KitchenAid stand mixer. Kneading is a gentle action and you don't need a higher speed than speed 2. When making doughs, don't be concerned if the head of your mixer jumps up and down a little bit. It's completely normal. What we don't want is if the mixer head is jumping up and unlocking. You could have the mixer on a too high speed. Remember, when using the dough hook, only use speed 2 for mixing doughs. And remember, a little bit of movement in the head is completely normal. You can see now that the dough has come completely away from the bowl and it's almost cleaned the bowl. So the dough is ready.